So your income tax installment payments are due by September 15th. If you don't make that payment in time, interest and possibly penalties does accumulated effective September 15th when it's due. So you don't want to be missing this payment or be late on this payment. The calculation of the interest and penalties is a bit complicated, so we can post the information or the link below. But it does start to accumulate the day after your installment's due. Now, who has to make an installment? If you would have had a balance of $3,000 or more due on last year's income tax return, you should have received a letter already from CRA asking you to make installments for 2019. Now, if you know you're going to make more money this year and you will have tax owing, you also have the obligation to make installment payments because CRA does reserve the right to charge you interest and penalties in some cases on these amounts. Now, if you have been late on payment or you know you're going to have interest owing, a strategy that you can do is you have the ability to make your next installment early, so make the December installment early, and interest begins to accumulate from CRA, which goes against interest that you would have owing to them. So don't miss that September 15th deadline.